Anna, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a hair dyeing video. So I'm going to be dyeing my hair kind of an ombre color. So I have a bunch of Arctic Fox hair dyes here that I've been meaning to use probably for about 6 months now, but I was waiting until my hair was a high enough level that I could do the pastel color without it not working. So my hair is pretty much as platinum as I can get it without it like falling out. So my ends are a little bit kind of bluish purple right now because of the purple shampoo that I have been using, and my roots are freshly done and I am a level 9 or 10. I'm pretty platinum, so I'm hoping the colors work. So I have picked up a bunch of Arctic Fox colors. So I have Purple Rain here, which is this really gorgeous purple color. I'm very excited to use this. This is going to be the color that I put on my root. I have Periwinkle, which is what I'm going to ombre it into, and then I also have a little bit of Girls Night Out, which I think I'm going to mix Periwinkle and Girls Night Out together to create kind of like a pastel purple color. And then I have a little bit of Virgin Pink. I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to use the pink at all. This is just left over from last year at this time when I did it. So I am going to mix the colors together and see what I get. So I'm really wanting to do a purple root fading into kind of like a pastel kind of bluish purple color. So I think mixing Periwinkle and Girls Night together is going to create a really pretty color, and that is my plan. So as you guys know from all of my other hair dyeing videos, I am not a professional. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. If you are looking for a professional that knows how to do this properly and does a proper technique, go watch someone else. But I am just going to dye my hair as best as I can in the way that I know how to do it, and that is trial and error. So I am going to start off with Purple Rain, which is this really, really dark purple color. I'm very excited to use it. I like the fact that Arctic Fox is vegan and cruelty free, and I also like the fact that it smells like Flintstone vitamins. It smells so good. So this is the purple color. It is super gorgeous. I got a little bit on my nail here. So I do have gloves here I'm going to use. If you guys have been watching my videos for a long time, you know that I sometimes don't like to use gloves, and then I dye my hands whatever color I am dyeing my hair. And I dyed my whole hands bright orange for like a solid week once, and that was really not fun. So I have learned my lesson, and I'm going to use my hair dyeing gloves that are very stained with pink from the last time that I did this, and apparently my hair. All right, so I'm just going to mix a little bit of the purple into here. Probably use a lot of it actually, maybe the whole thing, because I'm gonna be doing all of my roots, and I did just get a small version of it. So I'm gonna mix that's probably about 3/4 of the bottle in there. It's what it looks like. It's a very pretty color. And I'm gonna mix a little bit of, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of the Virgin Pink into it just to see what it does. I'm just adding a little bit of the Virgin Pink in here just to maybe give it a kind of a pink undertone color. And I just stained my disc hot pink. Love dyeing my hair in here. I always make the biggest mess, and I made a big mess of the bottle. So I do have a Sally's bowl here that I'm using, and I do have a Sally's brush here that I'm going to be using. And like I said, I suck at dyeing my hair, so if you're looking for a proper technique, you are not going to see that in this video, and I hope that doesn't offend anyone. But I suck at dyeing my hair. I usually get it done in the salon, and I usually get my friend to do it, but I really wanted to make a video for you guys tonight, so I am gonna attempt to do it myself, and then if I fail miserably, I will call her and she will charge me to fix it. We shall see. All right, so this is what the color looks like so far to go on my roots. It's really pretty, and I'm excited. So let's just dive in. Once we start, there's no going back. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. so I've officially finished dyeing my hair. My hair is very wet and I am very messy because I cannot dye my hair without creating a giant mess. So I hope this turns out. It looks really cool so far. I did the Periwinkle and the Girls Night Out purple on my ends, which are both pastel, kind of blue and green. And then the top is a really, really deep purple mixed in with a little bit of the virgin pink. So I only used Arctic Fox dyes in this. So I have used them in the past and I know that they are very vibrant and they work really, really good. So we shall see how this turns out. I'm gonna leave this on my hair for probably about 45 minutes. So it says best results achieved on pre-lightened hair, blah, blah, blah. Leave it on for 30 minutes and use a heat cap if you have one. I do not. I'm going to just kind of twist my hair up as best as I can. I don't really want the ombre to mix that much. It probably will, which is fine. I'm just going to pin my hair up like this for the time being and leave it on for about 45 minutes. And then once the 45 minutes is up, I will go downstairs or wherever my bathroom is in my house and I will shower and rinse this out. And then I will come back on here once I am blow dried and styled and not covered in purple hair dye anymore, and then we can see the finished results. But you can see that the ends are really, really cool. And even if it mixes a little bit, it is just like a kind of an ombre that I'm trying to do here. So I don't really care if the deep purple mixes into the pastel a little bit. I'm hoping that it doesn't mix too much that like you can't see a distinguishing ombre, but you never know. Like I said, as you guys just clearly saw, I don't know how to dye my hair. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to throw on a shower cap so that it hopefully stays at the top of my head and let this process for 45 minutes. So it is, hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 1:43 p.m.
It is 1:43 p.m. currently. So I will leave this on probably for 45 minutes, like I said. So I'll come back on here. Well, I'll go downstairs at 2:30 and wash this out of my hair. And then I will come back on here probably around, I don't know, 3 o'clock once I'm styled and ready to go and show you guys my finished results. So I will see you guys then. And this is the finished result. So it didn't turn out as pastel-y as I was hoping it was going to. My ends are definitely a different color than my roots. My roots are extremely purple. My ends are kind of like a faded lilac color almost. So I would say that the Girls Night color took on more than the Periwinkle color did. So I mixed these two together. I was kind of hoping for more of a Periwinkle color, so I added a lot more of this color than I did this color, but I ended up with a more purple toned ends, which is fine because it is a purple look. So I definitely can see the pops of pink that I put in there because I put in a little bit of the virgin pink mixed into the Purple Rain, which was my root. So there definitely is like highlights of pink in there, which are really cool. The ends are really cool. I'm hoping it fades to like a really pretty silver, which is kind of my whole purpose of doing this is I want silver hair, so I'm hoping that the purple fades to a silver. So I did have pretty close to purple hair before doing this, but my roots were extremely platinum blonde. So I wanted to put on a purple base and hopefully I can get to a silver eventually. But I do think that this is really pretty. I think the next time that I try to do an ombre though, I'm gonna do an ombre with a color that isn't really so close to the first color that I put on. So I think maybe next time that I do this, if I do a purple again, I'll do like blue ends, like electric blue or something, just so that there is a little bit more of a gradient that you can see. You can definitely see though that like the roots are like extremely purple, then it fades to a lighter color, but it still just kind of looks like a ombre fade rather than an ombre to a different color. But I would say that this turned out really pretty. The colors are really gorgeous. I can't curl my hair with shit, so this is just the best that I could. And then I have all of these broken pieces down here that like won't curl at all, but the color is really pretty. I love that purple and the pink that's mixed in there. That is gorgeous. So the back of my hair, I don't actually know how well I did the back yet because I haven't looked, but I will show you guys. Hopefully that's even. I don't know, I'll go look in a couple minutes once I finish this video, but I hope this is fairly even. Like I said, don't know how to dye my hair. I suck at dyeing my hair. You guys just watched the video of me dyeing my hair. I have no technique at all, and I even got my hands dyed purple from washing my hair. So I have absolutely no technique, no idea what I'm doing. So if you're looking for a hair dyeing video on how to do it properly, look somewhere else, because this ain't it. But I do think that these colors turned out really nice. I do like the fact that Arctic Fox is cruelty-free and vegan, so that is amazing. I really have nothing bad to say about this hair color line. It works really well in my hair. I know I tried the sterling silver and it did not work, but that was my own fault. It was because my hair wasn't light enough for that shade of pastel, but the purples work really great. The pink works amazing. My hair went hot pink for like 2 months. It was awesome. And the other color that I have tried is another pastel. It was the yellow, which did not work in my hair. Like I said about the sterling silver, my hair was not light enough. So I would say that for these colors, you probably do need really, really light hair. If I had put these colors on my roots, it probably would have turned out the color that I was looking for. But because I put them on my ends, they are just kind of like a faded purple color, which is probably the girls' night out color, which is very similar to what I got. It's like a faded purple color, and that makes sense. I was just kind of hoping for more of Periwinkle. I probably shouldn't have mixed the two together, but I had them and I wanted to see what it would look like if I mixed them. Maybe next time I will just do the Periwinkle color and see what happens. But I have tried doing that in the past with just like one pastel color and it didn't work. So I rolled the dice and tried both of them together, and I got mostly girls' night out, which kind of makes sense. But I would say that this turned out really pretty. It's really, really fun. I love the fact that my hair is now bright purple. My boyfriend came upstairs and he was like, wow, that is my favorite shade of purple. And I was like, well, that works then. So my hair is really pretty. I really like it. I love the colors. The colors are gorgeous. I will give you guys an update once it starts to fade and how long it takes to fade out of my hair. So it is the December 11th today, so I'll make another video in the future once my hair starts to fade, and I'll let you guys know how long it stays in my hair and a little update on that. But I do have L'Oreal's shampoo that is like a color line, so hopefully my hair doesn't fade too quickly, and then I will be washing my hair in like lukewarm to cold water just because I don't want the color to fade out too quickly, because dyeing your hair is expensive, and that's why I mostly wear wigs, but I want to just a fun color in my hair for now. But this is really pretty. I wish this curl side had worked a little bit better. This side is a lot more curly than this side, but my hair hates me. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!